In this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft Project licensing through Microsoft 365 tenancy. So the first thing you need to do is actually log into Office 365. And then when you're here in Office 365, you want to look for your admin panel. So you can do it through the app launch or you could do it over here. So there's different ways to get to your admin panel. So we're going to click on admin. And now we're in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. If you're going to want to purchase licenses for Project Online, then you go down to Billing, you open that up, then you click on Purchase Services. So here in Purchase Services, you're going to scroll down until you find Business Apps. Under Business Apps, you're going to see that we have Project Plan 1. There's a month-to-month option. Then Project Plan 1 here, that's a yearly option, Project Plan 3, and Project Plan 5. And then over here, there's Project Online Essentials month to month. But to use Project Online, you need one of these three. Okay, so what you can do if you want to compare, you're not sure what you want to buy, what type of license, you can compare. You can click on these three. You can only pick up to three to compare, and you can click on Details. So for Project Plan 1, it will tell you the details of what you get with this. Actually, with Project Plan 1, you can only access Project Online on the browser. You will not be able to connect to Microsoft Project desktop client, like this one that I have right here. You won't be able to connect to a file that way. You'll only be able to do it through the browser. And so as an admin, you need a license that will let you do the highest level of licensing that your organization has. So maybe some team members in your organization might need to just have Project Plan 1, but for administrating, you at minimum have to have Project Plan 3. Okay, but we'll go over that. Here you can see this project starts, what price it starts and how much it is per year. And you can click on buy if you want to buy it or get a free trial. This is a 30-day free trial. And so that you get that option right there. The get free trial, we're not going to go through setting it up. You just follow the prompts. It'll probably ask you for your email and then go from there. The free trial is very good for if you want to do a proof of a concept for your organization, or if you want to train like we're doing right now, do training and get some knowledge on how to administer project online. That's a good option for whoever wants to do those type of things. Let's see. And so here, when you're comparing the project plans, you'll see a little bit of what you get from each one of these. You can navigate to Microsoft.com and look for the products through there to get more information. This one I find they don't give as much information as they do there, but through here you can see that for project, everyone gets Office Online. Well, not everyone. These two, Project Plan 3 and Project Plan 5, get Office Online. To get Microsoft Project Client, the one that I just showed you, as you can see, you don't get it for Project Plan 1, but you do get it for 3 and 5. This means that once you have it, each user will be able to install it on one of their PCs, up to 5 of their PCs. So that's a good thing for each of our users. Here you can see that the first few are for portfolio management, and so Project Plan 5 is portfolio management. So if you want to do that kind of thing for your organization, you'll have to choose that. We are not going to go into portfolio management in this course. We're just setting up the basic configuration for Project Online. So I recommend that you get Project Plan 3 if you just want to go through the whole basic configuration. And then here it gives you more information on what you can do with Project Plan 3 and Project Plan 5. Also, you get OneDrive. You get Project Plan 1, you get 1 terabyte of space, and you can do certain things within OneDrive. And then you get unlimited storage for the other two plans. And then for SharePoint, you also get SharePoint, of course, because Project Online lives within SharePoint. So you get to do with for Project Plan 3, you get SharePoint Plan 2, and you get all these things that you can do within SharePoint. So if you want more information, just read it through and try to make your decision on what you want to do. We need for you to have this type one of these licenses so that you can actually do the rest of the configuration for Project Online. Once you have your licenses, you can actually go under licenses and then you'll see how many licenses or projects you have. So here I have these. I have Project Plan 3, and so I have all the licenses I need to create new users and assign them licenses. So hopefully that helps get you started so we can continue with the course.